The cat sat on the mat. Dan put the fan and pen in the van. I put my cap and map on my lap. That is, said a map. The ram likes to eat jam and yams. The flag and rag are in the bag. Mom gave me cash for taking up the trash. I was the soccer chump at camp. I put my hand on the sand. I put my snack in the sack. The little ant crawled on the plant. I put the rather hand and pen. I then went to bed. I have 10 pens in my desk. I took my pet to the vet. The little bird pecked at the wood duck. The girl yelled into the well. I lent some money to Tom to spend. The baby bird rested in the nest.